Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to create video chat rooms in Facebook groups. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that you can use a Facebook chat service on your Facebook group? You might get used to video chat services like Zoom as it is convenient for starting video calls for meetings. Facebook has an alternative that you can use to start video chat rooms in groups. You can stay connected with people in Messenger rooms. It's a fast and easy way to connect with groups of people to hang out together. It is possible to create a video chat room on Facebook and invite up to 50 people to join the video chat. On your Facebook web app, you can create rooms in this section. Look for the Rooms tab. In this section, click Create Room. The pop-up window will show you a list of options that you can choose from. You can choose from a room name or a start time. Click Room Name. From this window, you will see a list of options to choose from. You can create a new room or choose from this list of available room names here. Choose an option, then click on Create Room. You may notice that you can view a link for your room here. By default, this is the option for your room. Only invited friends can join without a request. Now click Edit. You can edit the join permissions. You can choose who can join your room without sending you a request. Choose from the options Only invited friends or anyone. To control who joins your room, choose Only invited friends who can join without a request. Below, you can look for friends to invite and join your room. Search for people to invite, then click Send. Once you're done, click Join Room. Now you can see a window where your video chat can start. Click Join Call. You can also apply this on your Facebook group. Now select a Facebook group that you manage. Look for the Rooms feature. You can choose from these options: name, start time, or who can join. If you click on the Start Time option, you can set a start date and time here. Then click Save. If you choose the option Who can join, you have two options for your room type. Only specific people will be invited once you create the room, or it will be available to anyone on Facebook. Click Next. Choose a name and create a name for your room. Then click Save. Click Next. Now click this button. You can view a link for your room in the section. Copy it so that you can share it with your members. You can invite members here as you click on the Send button. Below, click on the Invite button to search for people to invite to the room. Then click Join. You can see this new window for the group call. This button allows you to enable or disable the video chat, disable the mic, test the sound, and adjust the settings for your camera, mic, and audio output. Now click Join Call. While you're waiting for people to join the group call, you'll view this page. You can still copy the link for your room and invite more people. Below, you can share your screen, view participants, mute the mic, or end the call. On the top section, you can click on the plus icon to add a timer or create a poll. The whiteboard icon allows you to use this space to draw, add text, add shapes, or add images. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Page Targeter, you can get the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With Email List to Audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With ROI Calculator, scale your ad's profitability without paying first. Try Adplify now. Go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.